Former Argentine football star Ossie Ardiles and former teammate Ricky Villa were involved in a car accident in the Falkland Islands on Monday. Ardiles and Villa were driving from the town of Darwin to the Falkland Islands capital of Stanley on Monday evening. Reports say their vehicle struck a sheep and left the road. Their car rolled down a small slope and came to rest on its side. A UK Royal Air Force rescue helicopter was dispatched to the crash site and the two men were transported to hospital with only minor injuries.